If you are a stock market trader or a video editor like me, sometimes you might require an extra display for your job. But if you don't have an extra display but got a tablet, then you can use your tablet as an extra monitor like me. I don't have an extra monitor, but I do have a Samsung A8 tablet to which I use as an extra monitor. Premium Samsung tablets like Samsung S7 or S8 do have a second screen option where you can connect directly to the Windows laptop. This option is not available in low budget tablets, but there is a way to enable it in Samsung A8 tablet without using any third party app. Now, in search bar of my laptop, look for cast option and go to connect option here. You can see my tablet option is not visible in the list. So in Samsung A8 tablet, I did not find any second screen option in my notification bar, but there is a way you can access second screen option in Samsung A8. For that, first of all, you need to go to notification bar and choose Smart View option and click on it. Click on the three dot up button. After that, you need to keep on pressing the Smart View till it opens some other options. Once you open it, enable second screen option and click on it. Here you can see two options. One option is for drawing and gaming. It has got a faster response time, and another one is for smooth video playback. Now go to your Windows laptop. You'll be able to see my Samsung tablet option is visible now. Click on it and wait for some time. Your tablet may go black screen during this time. It takes some time to connect. When finally done, you can see desktop screen on your tablet. Now among these three options you can choose either of it. I will choose extension option. Now you can see I am driving my mouse from left to right, and you can see my screen has extended. This way you can extend your screen in Samsung tablet where you cannot find second screen option directly, but you do have second screen option in your tablet.